Ever wondered what makes an alligator and a crocodile? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of these ancient creatures. At first glance, alligators and crocodiles may seem like twins separated at birth, but in reality, they are as different as chalk and cheese. It's not just about the scales or the teeth, it goes deeper into their behavior, habitat, and even their geographical distribution. From the broad U-shaped snout of an alligator to the narrow V-shaped snout of a crocodile. From the dark shades of an alligator's skin to the lighter olive green of a crocodile, the differences are as intriguing as they are unique. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. As we delve deeper, we'll explore how these differences translate into their survival tactics and how they've adapted to their respective environments. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey of exploration into the intriguing differences between alligators and crocodiles. First, let's tackle the physical differences. To the untrained eye, they may seem identical, but look closer and you'll see a world of difference. Now let's talk about the snouts. Alligators have a broader U-shaped snout, while crocodiles possess a narrower V-shaped snout. Next up is color. Alligators are notably darker, often appearing blackish, whereas crocodiles usually have a lighter olive green hue. And then there's size. Crocodiles generally outgrow alligators, with some species reaching whopping lengths of over 20 feet. Compare that with alligators, which are typically smaller. The American alligator, the largest of its kind, reaches up to 15 feet, still falling short of the average crocodile. These distinctions in snout shape, color, and size are not merely cosmetic, but have evolved for specific survival strategies in their respective habitats. So remember, the snout shape, color, and size are your first clues to identifying whether you're looking at an alligator or a crocodile. Now that we've examined their physical traits, let's venture into their habitats and geographical distribution. Alligators prefer the freshwater domains of swamps, marshes, rivers, and lakes. Their world is primarily confined to the southeastern United States and eastern China. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are the globetrotters of the reptile world. They inhabit freshwater, brackish water, and saltwater habitats, spreading their presence across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. These environmental preferences shape their behavior. Alligators, usually less aggressive, are more likely to avoid confrontations, a trait that serves them well in the relatively confined freshwaters. Crocodiles, however, are bolder, more aggressive, defending their territory and young ferociously, a necessity in the diverse and expansive habitats they occupy. So, whether it's a swamp in the southeastern United States or a river in Africa, knowing where you are can help you figure out which creature you're dealing with. Moving on, let's delve into their behavior and an interesting feature: salt glands. Alligators are generally less aggressive than crocodiles and tend to steer clear of human confrontations. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are often bolder, more aggressive, especially when defending their territory or young. Now, on to the salt glands. Both alligators and crocodiles have these glands located near their tongues, helping them excrete excess salt from their bodies. However, crocodiles are more efficient at tolerating salt water, allowing some species to inhabit marine environments for extended periods. In contrast, alligators, with their less effective salt glands, are more suited to freshwater habitats. These behavioral differences and their ability to handle salt water are crucial in understanding these magnificent creatures. It's fascinating how these seemingly similar reptiles have evolved differently, adapting to their respective environments. Remember, their behavior and ability to handle salt water can be the deciding factor between an alligator and a crocodile. These ancient creatures, though similar at first glance, are worlds apart in many ways. From the U-shaped snout of an alligator to the V-shaped snout of a crocodile, their physical appearance is just the tip of the iceberg. Alligators, with their dark hues, are typically found in freshwater environments in the United States and China. On the other hand, the olive green crocodiles have a much broader geographical reach from Africa to Australia and are comfortable in freshwater, brackish water, and even saltwater habitats. Their behavior also varies, with alligators usually being less aggressive and crocodiles showing bolder behavior. The teeth of an alligator are hidden when their mouth is closed, unlike the prominent fourth tooth of a crocodile. And while alligators can grow up to 15 feet, crocodiles can surpass 20 feet. But remember, these are general differences, and there can always be exceptions. So the next time you encounter one of these fascinating creatures, you'll know exactly what you're looking at. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such educational content.